Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cloud Data Engineer. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. I will be covering what is Azure Data Factory and how to create Azure Data Factory in Azure portal. So let's discuss about Azure Data Factory. So in simple terms, Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based hybrid data integration tool. So hybrid data integration tool in the sense it will support both ETL and ELT approaches. So in general, the definition of Azure Data Factory is Azure Data Factory is a serverless data integration service on the cloud that allows you to create data driven workflows for orchestrating. So which is nothing but you can create pipelines for the data movement, and you can automate that, and you can automate it and also perform transformations on the data. That's pretty much about Azure Data Factory. So now let's jump into the Azure portal for creating Azure Data Factory. So the main prerequisite of creating Azure Data Factory, you need to have a resource group for creating Azure Data Factory. Of course, you need to have a subscription as well for this. So I'm using free trial edition for this. So you need to go to portal.azure.com, then you will get an interface like whatever you are seeing right now. You can go to the search bar right over here, and you can type Data Factory. You can find that Data Factories, so click on it. You can create from here. You can see the plus option with create, and also you can create Data Factory with this option as well. And there are no Data Factories as of now because I haven't created it. If you create it, if there are any existing Data Factories, you can see it over here under the name list. So let's go and create Azure Data Factory. I'm clicking on create option, so it's loading now. And of course, as I said, you need a subscription and you need to have a resource group. I already had one resource group. I'm taking it. If you don't have anything, you can create new option, which you can give it over a unique name, and you can press over OK, and it will create a new resource group. And you need to select a region which is nearest to your location. So for me it is East US, and name I am selecting it as ADF, in the sense Azure Data Factory, and demo for data engineering. So I'm taking version 2 for now. I'm leaving these options as it is, and I will configure it later. And I'm going to network. I'm leaving it as it is, and advanced as well, and tags as well. And I'm now reviewing it. So it is reviewing, and the validation is passed. Now I will be creating Azure Data Factory. So the initial deployment is going on. It will take few seconds, more than 30 seconds I would say. So the deployment is in progress. It will take a couple of seconds. Once it is completed, you can find it over in the notifications messages. So see, still the deployment is in progress. Once it is completed, you will get deployment succeeded. Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah, you can go to the resource group. Sorry. You can go to the Data Factories now, and you can see the Azure Data Factory demo for data engineer. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.